Imagine you're sitting in class and suddenly your period starts. You look inside your bag. Nothing. Then your friend asks you for a pen, but you don't even have one yourself. Your phone is dying, you're hungry, your lips are dry, and somehow your hair is not cooperating. Girl, this is exactly why you need an emergency school kit. So today, I'm showing you some simple things you can keep in your school bag for those random emergencies that always seem to happen at the worst time. And don't worry, we're keeping this super basic and affordable. Let's get into it. 1. Pads. Okay, ladies, let's start with the most important one. Pads. Even if you're not expecting your period, it's always good to keep 1 or 2 in your bag, because sometimes your period doesn't care about your plans. You could be in class, at break, or writing a test, and suddenly, surprise! So keep a few pads in a small pouch in your bag. And if you don't need them, you might have a friend who does. Honestly, having a pad in your bag can literally save someone's day. 2. Tissues and wipes. Next, keep some tissues or wet wipes. These are so useful. Maybe you spill something on your uniform. Maybe you need to clean your hands before eating. Maybe you have a runny nose. Or maybe you just need to freshen up. You don't need anything fancy. Just grab a small packet of tissues and maybe a few wet wipes and put them in your bag. Simple. 3. An extra pen. This one is a must. Please, please, please have an extra pen. Because why does your pen always stop working when the teacher says, "Okay, everyone, take out your pens"? And suddenly you're shaking your pen like your life depends on it. Just keep 1 extra pen in your emergency kit. You can also add a pencil and an eraser if you use them regularly. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later. 4. A small snack now. This is for my hungry girls. Keep a small snack in your bag. It could be biscuits, a granola bar, crackers, or anything simple that you like. Because sometimes you have a long day at school and lunch is still 2 hours away, and suddenly you're sitting in class thinking about food instead of listening to your teacher. Just make sure it's something that won't easily spill or make a huge mess inside your bag. 5. Lip balm or lip gloss. Okay, this might not be an emergency for everyone, but for me, it is. Keep a lip balm or lip gloss in your bag, especially if your lips get dry during the day. It's a small thing, but sometimes putting on a little lip gloss can make you feel so much more put together. You know those days when you look tired and you're like, I need something. A little lip gloss. Boom, you're back. 6. A small comb or hair tie. If you have long hair, keep a small comb, brush, hair tie, or scrunchie in your bag, because you never know when your hair is going to start acting up. Maybe your ponytail gets loose. Maybe your braids start looking messy. Maybe the wind completely destroys your hairstyle on your way to school. Having a small hair accessory can save you. And honestly, a cute scrunchie can also be useful when you're just tired of having your hair down. 7. Hand sanitizer. Next, we have hand sanitizer. This is especially useful before you eat or after you've been touching things around school. Just get a small one that can fit easily inside your bag. You don't need a huge bottle. A small one is perfect. 8. A little money. And finally, I recommend keeping a small emergency amount of money somewhere safe in your bag. Not your entire lunch money. Just a little bit for emergencies. Maybe you forgot your lunch. Maybe you need to print something. Maybe you need to buy a pen. Or maybe you need transportation money unexpectedly. You never know what can happen. Just make sure you keep it somewhere secure and don't spend it on snacks every day. And that's it. You honestly don't need a huge emergency kit. Just grab a small pouch and put in the things you actually think you'll need. For me, the basics would be pads, tissues, an extra pen, a snack, lip balm, a hair tie, hand sanitizer, and a little emergency money. That's literally it. And the best part is, you probably already have most of these things at home. So before your next school day, take 5 minutes and put your little emergency kit together. Trust me, one day you're going to need something from it, and you'll be so happy you prepared. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more realistic school and student life videos. And comment down below, what's one thing you always carry in your school bag? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys!